Thailand dried giku pingbi, powerful for cough soup with mixed herbs. Very famous to the Chinese community. This kind of herbal medicine. They are boiling long soup that one giku. Powerful herbs medicine for coughing.